Hi students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing fine. In the previous recorded session, we discussed about a rainy day birthday party, and I have already sent the notes. I hope you all have written that one. So today in this class, we shall be starting a new a poem. Actually, this is a poem that is the wind and the sun. You know what and all a sun gives? What the sun gives? The sun gives heat, light, and it is also helpful in rain. Okay. Now the wind gives us the breeze, the cold, warm, isn't it? And it also helps to move ships. That is ships. Sorry, not sheep. Ships. Okay. So these are the uses of the wind and the sun. Here, one day there is a quarrel between the wind and the sun, that who is more stronger, that is the wind or the sun. Said the wind to the sun, I can carry off kites and howl down the chimney on blustery nights. I can sail boats and send windmills in motion, rattle the windows and ruffle the ocean. Who says? The wind says. I'll read it once more. Said the wind to the sun. Said the wind to the sun, I can carry off kites. I can carry off kites and howl the chimney on blustery nights. I can sail the boats and set windmills in motion, rattle the windows and ruffle the ocean. Here, the wind is boasting about himself, telling that I am the one who helps kites to fly, and I am the one who helps boats to sail. I am the one on very blustery nights, if there is any smoke or something in the chimneys, I'll help to remove it, and I am the one who shakes the windows and who moves the ocean. Who's telling? The wind is telling. He's praising, I am greater than you because I am the one who hails, who carry off the kites, and I am the one who helps in the blustery nights to fall off the chimneys. I am the one who helps these boats to sail it. I am the one who set windmills in motion. And he says, I am the one because of whom the window shakes, or actually the word is rattle. Rattle the windows. I am the one who actually creates the ruffled disturbance in the ocean. And the old gun grinned, and the wild winter wind. Said the sun to the moon. Now, the sun is telling to the moon. Said the sun to the wind, I can turn night into day, ice into water and grass into hay. I can melt puddles and open up roses. I can paint rainbows and freckles on noses. Now, the sun is telling to the wind, what? I am the one because of whom the day and night appears, because of the sun itself. So, the sun is telling, because of me, there is day and night. I am the one who melts ice into water. देखो, आप आइस एक ले लो और धूप में रख दो, क्या होता है? पानी टर्न हो जाता है. And also grass into hay. बहुत ज्यादा धूप में क्या होता है? चारा सूख जाता है. So that becomes a hay. That becomes hay बोलती है. सूखे हुए चारे को. And I can melt puddles and open up roses. अब एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी है बोलो, अगर सन यहाँ पे पड़ रहा है बोले तो पानी पूरा सूख जाता है. Puddles is nothing but a small pools of water, छोटे छोटे waters की जगह, and जब सन पड़ता है वहां पर तो सारा पानी सूख जाता है. And open up roses. जब सुबह जब सूरज की किरण एक गुलाब के पत्तों पर पड़ती है तो वो ये क्या होता? वो खिल जाता. तो क्या होता है? वो खिल जाता है. So the sun is telling that because of me that I am the one who puddles, I can melt the puddles, I am the one who open up the roses, and I am the one because of whom the rainbow appears. See, rainbow appears, rainbow देखो ही नहीं, 7 कलर जो एक आसमान में आता है या तो फिर दिखता है जब बारिश और धूप दोनों साथ में रहते हैं। जब बारिश और धूप दोनों साथ में रहते हैं तो क्या होता है, आसमान में रेनबो दिखता है। सो द सन इज बोस्टिंग दैट आई एम द वन हु हेल्प्स इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड द ओल्ड सन ग्रेन एंड द वाइल्ड विंटर विंड सेट द विंड टू द सन। नाउ अगेन देयर इज अ टर्न, द विंड सेज टू द सन, you will be sorry you spoke, he says, you will feel sorry because whatever you are telling it's wrong. Down on the road is a man with a cloak. Cloak यहाँ पर see, cloak is nothing but dress उसका जो कोट पहन के ऊपर रखती है उसे क्या बोलती, बड़ा यहाँ तक अगर आप पहन के रहते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं, क्लोक बोलते हैं। कपड़े जो बहुत बड़ा रहता है यहाँ, इट्स यूजुअली बिलो द नीज तक आता है, वो हमारे घुटनों तक होता है, तो फिर घुटने के थोड़ा ऊपर रहता है, तो फिर घुटनों के थोड़ा नीचे रहता है, ठीक है। सो उसे क्या बोलती, क्लोक बोलती। सो द विंड सेज देयर इज अ मैन विद अ क्लोक, यहाँ पे एक आदमी है जो क्लोक पहन के है। सी दिस वन, दिस इज द क्लोक। Down on the road is a man with a cloak. You will show, if you are so clever, then let's see you prove it. So the wind says, अगर तुम ना समझ रहे कि oh son you are so strong and तुम बहुत ज्यादा शातिर हो, तो prove करो कि you are very intelligent और clever बोल को। We'll take in turns to see who will remove it. तो क्या करना है कि उन्हें जो है क्लोक निकालना। So let's see कि कौन उसका क्लोक निकाल सकते हैं। So that's a challenge between the wind and the sun. We'll take in turns to see who will remove it. कौन उसको निकाल सकते हैं। And the old sun grinned and the wild winter went. The wind blew the trees till the boughs bent and broke. इतनी जोर से ये हवा देता है कि जो ये पेड़ हैं वो सारे उसके टहनियां, बोज मतलब ब्रांचेस, जो भी बोज होती वो बेंड होकर ब्रेक हो जाती। He bowled the man's hat off and howled round his cloak. वो ये आदमी, ये इंसान, ये मैन had worn the hat पहन के रहता है, hat, then उसके इर्द गिर्द, यानी अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूं तो विंड मेरे अतराफ घूमती है, so that वो क्लोक रिमूव होना बोल को। He blew and he blasted, he tossed and he tugged it. ये ब्लू होता है, ब्लू मतलब देखो ऐसे लहराना, ब्लू होना। So this is nothing but blew. He blew and he blasted, he tossed and he tugged it. The man wrapped it round him and tightly hugged it. Example, अगर ये मेरा क्लोक है, मुझे बहुत ज्यादा हवा आ रही है तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, ऐसा टाइट, सो इसे टक कर लेती, हमें हक कर लेती, isn't it? हवा ज्यादा आ रही है, ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा खिल रहा है, क्या करती है, मैं उसे ऐसा टाइट ऐसा रख लेती हूँ। सो द मैन wrapped it around मतलब ऐसा रैप कर लेना, see, wrapped it around and tightly he hugged it, ऐसा टाइट से क्या करती, हक कर लेती, ठीक है, बिकॉज वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा विंड है बोल को। एंड द ओल्ड सन ग्रेन एंड द वाइल्ड विंटर विंड, टेक अ रेस्ट सेट द सन, लेट मी शाइन ऑन हिम नाउ। सो ये आदमी क्या होता है, आपको यहाँ पर पेड़ के नीचे बैठ जाता है। सो नाउ द सन ब्राइट्स वेरी शाइनली, ही डजंट डू एनीथिंग, द सन डजंट डू एनीथिंग, but it brights very very shinely that he shone till the man started mopping his brow मतलब कितना ज्यादा पसीना आ रहा। So this is mopping of the brow. The man settled down in the shade of the sun of some boulders, so he sits like this under the trees because it's very very sunny बोल को। जब धूप होती है तो क्या बोलती है, मैं जाकर जब पेड़ के नीचे we'll take rest like this, isn't it? Because it's very very hot and bright. The man settled down in the shade of some boulders. He undid his cloak. Undid his cloak मतलब he उसका cloak उन्हें निकालता है, and it slipped from his shoulders. तो क्या होता है, जैसे उन्हें निकालता है, he just remove it like this. He takes off his cloak. And the old sun grinned and the wild winter wind. So here it means that the fairiness, the जो एक बहुत ज्यादा ताकत दिखाना चाहती, it will not prove it. You always have to be gentle and kind. Here this is about, and finally the sun wins and the wind defeats. Here you would have come across so many rhyming words. Rhyming words like shoulders and boulders, green, wind. Then you have here ocean, motion. You have rattle, ruffle. You have roses, noses. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say the line. I can paint rainbows and freckles on noses. मतलब freckles on noses मतलब जो black spots रहती हैं यहाँ पर नाक के ऊपर, so that is freckles on noses. It is because of sun it appears here. So these are some of the rhyming words that we have come across in the poem The Wind and the Sun. And this poem, The Wind and the Sun, has been written by Julia Donaldson. Julia Donaldson. I'll write the name. By Julia Donaldson. Go through the poem. If you have any doubt, always you can feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. Till that one, stay home, stay blessed. Bye-bye.